Welcome to Kemi's Fan channel. In today's video, I have an interesting update for you guys. Alright, now in this video, our Dapo Willis decided to reply major sagas going on in the forex industry. In fact, he decided to reply those guys dragging him concerning his alleged 95 million US dollar per year. Okay, now I'm going to dive into this video, but that will be when I come out from this short break. Please don't go anywhere, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell on to get updated each time I post a new video here. You can as well share my content to people to watch. Please just copy the link, share to a large audience to pull up for us and check us out here. If you do this, God will bless you. Don't go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back, my people. Now listen, in my previous video, I showed you where traders were dragging Dapo Willis because he said he made 95 million US dollar this year. Now, what happened? I described everything and said my own part of the story. But Dapo Willis took to his Twitter account, that is X, to tag these people, to drag them one after the other. He dragged Habby Forex, he dragged Kojo Forex, and some other persons that actually talked about his $95 million trade. Alright, let me show you one of these things. First person on our list of the dragging is Kojo Forex. He started dragging Kojo by saying, "It is almost 2025 and Kojo still hasn't cut his hair. Ha! Esnes, how can you let this happen? Please tag him and a very good barber. I will pay." Forex industry, I am serious. We can't allow our king of reds sorry, I'm doing a content. I'm not supposed to laugh. Apologies, my people. Welcome back to the channel. Let's continue. He says, "Forex industry, I am serious. We can't allow our king of reds be walking around like this. Kofi haircut." Kofi actually is Kojo Forex. Please take note of that. He's just trying to use Kofi to represent Kojo Forex. And we know that Kojo is the king of blues. That is what he calls himself. Now he turned king of blues to king of reds. King of red means that Kojo Forex hits stop loss like no other person. In fact, king of red simply means that no other person hits stop loss more than Kojo Forex. That's the implication of this. I'll still talk about this shortly. Let's go to the next dragger, the next dragon. Now, he continued by saying, "Oh, and to all the other forex influencers that dragged me, I laugh in EFCC, Interpol, and FBI. Your day of reckoning is coming. Yahoo boys with the disguise as forex traders, they drag me." Okay, no wahala. Good. I want to say something real quick before I go to the next one. So Dapo Willis actually knows that most forex traders are scammers, not just Kemi's Frank. Thank God is coming from the mouth of Dapo Willis now. So take note that probably your mentor is a scammer. Most of your mentors are scammers. Take note, Yahoo boys disguising in form of forex traders. And note, to scam someone in forex is the simplest way and legalized way of scams, because forex is legalized. People doing forex trading is they are allowed to trade forex and make money from the forex market. So they will scam you and go free because they will show you MT5 in blues. And to do that is simple. Just take a trade, open position, buy there, open sell in the other side. Then anyone that shows blue, it shows you that is the money. You keep doing that, and then you will pay for mentorship program. Let's bet you will pay for that. Okay, so it's easy to deceive people in this industry. And thank God that police mentioned it himself that most of those traders are what? Scammers. Let's go. Now he says, "What is steady bombing? Isn't this a phrase used by fraudsters? I keep hearing Mr. I buy accidented cars from Lebanon and refurbish them. Always using it. Please, steady bombing is not a forex lingo. It is a term used in defrauding innocent people. Forex traders, let's be guided." I am so happy with all these things happening. See, I am the happiest person. If you are not learning from this, you will never learn next year. That's a fact. If you're not learning from all these activities or these occurrences, you cannot learn. I know some of you are still packing up money to pay for one scammer's mentorship program or not. I wish you all the best. Next year is fire to fire. Okay, just be careful. Okay, it is not what you think. It is not, and I'll keep saying it to you so that when you make the mistake and you come around, I will say remind you that Kemi Frank YouTube channel has always been saying that it is not what it is. Okay, let's go to the next one. I think he just dragged these two basically, and a lot of comments has been popping up his posts. So what is the point now? Do we believe Dapo Willis or believe those people he dragged? And I also want those people he dragged now to also redrag, because let this industry, let it burn, let it be on fire, so that we reshuffle it and bring back truth into the system. That is my own point of view. I want us to set it on fire, burn it down, rebrand it, and then make it look nice. Let the truth lead this time. Okay, I know so many people that have been sunk into lies of these mentors. I'm gonna be honest with you. They have been circling around these lies, blowing their account, blowing off their account, blowing off their account. And these people are very smart. They will tell you to buy book, buy motivational books, read quotes, I've read so many books, and that's why I'm profitable. They did not even read exercise book, blank page. They did not read any of those books, but they will ask you to buy books, think big. They never thought big. They don't have anything to read. All these things are packaging. They want to package the business to you. When we all came, I saw the same thing. You also saying it. And if you're new to that watching my channel, you have to subscribe, because if you are with me next year, there's no way you can fall victim of any scam. Trust me, because I talk sense into humanity. I know some people I talk sense into, they are still giving testimony up to today. So once you listen to what I'm saying here, next year you cannot fall victim of some of these cheap scams. They are so cheap, so cheap. Now let's talk about Kojo Forex and the haircut. I don't know why he's not barbing the hair actually. But for the times I know Kojo Forex, I've never seen him shave. Maybe he's just reducing it to some extent, but he's always bushy, quite alright. But maybe that's his personality. Everybody will decide to appear the way he likes. And I will not even encourage anybody to do anything to please somebody. If keeping your hair bushy that way pleases you and your spirit and your ancestors, keep it bushy forever, brother. I know human being, there's nothing you can do for them to please them. Okay, so most importantly, do things that will make you happy in this life. Okay, this is an advice for everybody moving into next year. Let your resolution be, do those things that pleases you. Keep yourself first, because me personally, that was what made me break through in life. I started doing major things that matters to me, not paying attention to what Mr. B will say. It is what myself, I'm the Mr. A, what matters to me. That is that's the priority. If you do something, that becomes your breakthrough. Okay, so I will see you. This video is a kind of short one, but I'll see you next time. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join me on my Telegram channel. We also drop signals there, and I also teach forex trading. Don't forget, and I also provide guidance and counseling when it comes to forex trading. So please subscribe. Let's go.